how to change the password in Roblox if you forgot. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the password in Roblox if you forgot. First, open your web browser. Then go to the Roblox login page. Now you need to enter your username. Next, click on Forgot Password. Now scroll down and here you need to add your email to reset your password. Roblox would send you an email with instructions. Now, in a new tab, open your Gmail account. Then click on the email sent to you by Roblox. Click on Reset Password button. Select your account and continue. Now add your new password and confirm it. Then, click on Submit. Your password has been updated. So that is exactly how you can change the password in Roblox if you forgot. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.